Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to create an event on Discord. Now this is really simple way how to create it. First of all, you will need to go to your server test, but before that I'll just disable the streamer mode. And obviously for your server you will need to go to your create event right here. And here you will need to go to your voice channel or somewhere else, right? You can choose whether you want voice channel or somewhere else. I'll choose voice channel. I'll say, okay, this is going to be in general. Next, what's your event about? For example, you could say giveaway or something like that, right? Your event start date, right? You can pick your start date. You can pick your start time, right? Let's say 11:30. And yeah, we can tell description. So let's say your description is, giving away $1,000 or something like that, right? You can upload cover image as well, which is pretty sweet. We can go next. And right now, this is how it's going to look like for your, people in your server. You can create event. And right now it's an event. You can copy this, you can share this with everyone, right? Or you can exit out of it. And now you can see we have an event right here, right? Now what you can do is you can share that event, you can go to more, you can add this event to your Google Calendar, you can start new event, you can edit this event, right, whenever you want to edit it, right? But this is pretty much how your event will look like. If we click on it, this is how it will look like for everyone in the server. So this is basically how to create event on Discord. Really easy, really simple, and yeah,